Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Temitope here from ministryofwealthcreation.com. If you are new to my channel, kindly give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel, and not forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So today I am going to be dealing with email octopus and how to create a list. How do you create a list? Just click on your list tab here and click on create. I'll just be showing you an example because I already have some lists that I'm working with, but for the purpose of this training, let's just say I want to create a list for website visitors, or let me say my website visitors. So because I don't want to be losing visitors or traffic coming to my website, I need to retain them and keep on feeding them with information that I share on my blog. And of course, anytime I upload a new blog or make a post, they will be notified in their email, or I will just broadcast everything here, and everybody will receive that blog post at the same time, at a specified time. So type the name of your list, my website visitors. Do you have contacts from a file? No. So just say I'll do this later. You don't need to add any contact for now. So leave it at I'll do this later. Then click on create. Voila, your list is ready. So if I come back to my list, I will see it here. You can see my website visitors because no one has opted in yet, so it's showing 0. And now after creating your list, you want to create an opt-in form where people can opt in through in order to get them registered here. So to do that, click on your list because you don't have subscribers yet. So that's why this place is empty and it's showing no subscribe contacts yet. So what do you want to do? We want to create a form. So you click on create a form right here. You can do that through 3 options, but most times I recommend using embedded option. Embedded option helps you to put that code in your website so that you just simply create a small form in your website or write a small blog post in your website and upload this code, because you'll be given a code to upload. You don't need to create those code yourself, just copy and paste, that's all. So don't be afraid, don't be scared about it because some people, the moment they hear the word code or coding, they get scared. So nothing to worry about, it's just a copy and paste. What I will just show you is where to copy from and where to paste that code in. So let's start that right away. So click on embedded, and in my other videos I'm going to show you how to use the landing pages option. That one is for another purpose, but for just to collect email addresses from visitors to your website, so it is always good to use the embedded option. So click on embedded, and here is the form, or is the opt-in form. So subscribe to my list, email address, subscribe, powered by Email Octopus. So this is just the recommended one, but in my own case I would like to have their name, so that by the time I want to send a broadcast email, I'll be able to refer to them by their first name. It is always good like that because it will create some kind of connection between you and your subscriber, instead of saying dear subscriber or dear, or you're saying hi. But if you say hi Temitope or dear Temitope, how are you today? I am writing this email to check up on you and to inform you about my new blog post that I just made today. Would you like to check it out? Click this link or visit this So something like that, you have to address your subscriber with their first name. It's very important. So it helps you to create a connection with them. So that's why I'm not going to use this default recommendation. What I will do is I'm going to add a tab for first name. So how can I do that? I will come here. This is your content, the content you want to use to create your opt-in form. They have created this for you automatically, but we are not going to use this. We need to add more tabs. So come here and move, just drag and drop, just follow my movement here. So click on first name and move it above the email section. You can see you now have first name, you have email address, then subscribe. So now you may still need to add some little embellishment to this, but I always like it to appear simple so that people don't get carried away by some unnecessary add-ons or whatsoever. So what I will do is just to change the text. You can say subscribe to my list to be the first to receive new blog posts. Then click on subscribe. So you can change subscribe to yes, I'm in. Yes, I am in, or something like that. You can use any terminology from your end, but these are just examples. So after you have done that, you can also change the style. Do you want it to be left aligned, or you want it to be center aligned like this? This looks better, right? You can center align it, and you can also change the color, but I think this should be okay. Or you can change this to be red. This gray button here, you can change it into red, something like that. Is that okay? If you don't like it, you can return it to, or you can, yeah, I think this looks better, right? Just walk around any color you like, and the text color is good. It's good. We leave it at that color, black. So when you are done, just click on, okay, let's look at the settings. Let's include a checkbox. It's very important to prevent bots from opting into your email subscription list. So I consent to receiving your weekly newsletter and special offers. That's the default statement. Or you can add this. After that statement, you can say, don't worry, your email is safe with us. Don't worry, your email address is safe with us. At least to assure them that nothing will happen to their email address. So in case the person refuses to check the box before opting in, this statement will pop up. Please check the checkbox to indicate your consent. So that's why this statement is here, but it's not going to show here. So it's going to show after the person either forgets to check the box or refuses to check the box. Either of the two, this statement will pop up and ask the person to do it. And after that, then the person can click on yes, I am in. Then include hidden, reCAPTCHA and protect against bots. So reCAPTCHA is also important, so leave it checked. Now you can also create a thank you page. That is if you are dealing with affiliate marketing. I'm going to make a separate video on that as well for you to check this place. That means if you have a default thank you page whereby you want to put the link to your affiliate link, I'm going to explain this because this is where you put your affiliate link, the thank you page where you embed your affiliate link. I'll do that in a separate video, but this video is mainly showing you how to create a list and how to embed your form. Or let me check how long I've gone so far. This is 10 minutes. Okay, I am 10 minutes into the video already. Let me see if we can quickly create a thank you page. So let me go over to my website to create a thank you page. This is my dashboard. You can go to your dashboard and follow through with me. So this is my dashboard. I'll click on page. Depending on how your dashboard looks like, I believe it's going to be something, it's going to look similar to this. Just click on creating page, add new page. So you say thank you for joining us, or thank you for visiting our website. That's the title. So you can come here and say thank you, or you can say congratulations, you are in. Now, would you, and then you can also say, don't forget to check your email for a welcome email from us. Now,